In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can check the GPU health on your Windows. So let's get started. So for that, first method is you have to make a right click at the start button, and then here you have to select device manager. Once device manager window is open, just simply look for display adapter. So this is where you can find your graphics card driver, and this is your graphics card. Make a right click and then select properties. Now under the device status, you will see in here the status of your CPU or the health. Okay, so this device is working properly, but in your case, you can find a different message from here, and that's the first way in how you can check it. Click on OK. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel so that we can produce more videos for you. Okay, so for the next method is right click again at the start button, select task manager, maximize it. In the list of options on the left, then simply click on performance, and here you can find your graphics card. So this is the performance or the current status of your GPU. Okay. You also have here the other information. Now that is the second way. For the third way, press Windows key and R and type DX diag. Okay. DX diag, click on OK. Click on yes. Now here in the DirectX diagnostic tool, click on the display, and here under notes, you will find any message. Okay, but in my case, no problems found, and this is another way on how we can check it. So that's it. Again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.